Welcome to Galaxy Kids. Our virtual tutors, Nana and Maxie, are the perfect conversation partners for your child to practice spoken English. To start a free-flowing conversation, simply press the blue button. Your child can talk about any real-life topic, such as ordering food, going to school, or simply wait for AI tutors to initiate a question. If your child wants to practice grammar, press the red button. The AI tutor will highlight any mistakes in red and ask your child to repeat the correct sentence. This is the learning path. The learning path is divided into different topics and has more than 1,000 words and sentences. You can choose the topic that you are interested in from this window. We update our lessons and activities regularly, which become more challenging as your child completes each unit. This is Speech Lab. This section will help your child improve their pronunciation using AI technology. Your child can have words randomly selected for them, or you can help them choose a specific category. You will need to press the record button to record their voice, and they will receive a score and instant pronunciation correction in the settings. You can change your language, password, and personal information in the settings. Use the in-app chat to contact us or send an email to hello@galaxykids.ai and we'll respond immediately. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you.